Okay, guys, I got something to gripe about, and I'm going to gripe about it. I'm going to gripe about the recent blizzard we had in New York City. Now, you're going to say, okay, we have snow all the time in New York City, but we have 20 inches of snow. So, what does the mayor do? He forgets Brooklyn. He forgets to plow Brooklyn. Brooklyn is one of the most important boroughs in New York City. Way to go, Mayor Bloomberg. You're getting to be a very bad mayor. Okay, let's get off of that now. 20 inches of snow. They don't stop plowing until Wednesday night. Now, they close everything. No trains running, no buses running. Um, Post office doesn't deliver. Cars can't go through. Stuff can't be delivered. Come on, guys. Years ago, we had a couple of feet of snow, and we got it done. So why is it that New York City closes itself or panics at 20 inches of snow? Why? Because we got a mayor who doesn't care. The guy is greedy. He makes so much money. He's got so much money. He only cares about his block. Because guess what? His block was nicely plowed. And whole of Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens was forgotten. A mess. People had trouble getting in. How about those people that lost money getting in? Or people didn't get in because they couldn't get in. Yeah, and I'm one of those people, so you know what? I'm sorry, I'm upset, and I'm going to gripe about it. And Bloomberg, lousy. Lousy, lousy, lousy. Sanitation, lousy. You guys did an awful job. Normally, you plow the streets, you do what you got to do. You guys should get an F. F, whatever, you know what I mean. F for failure. Because you know what? You guys fail. Epic fail. So, that's all I'm going to say. It's my gripe about the blizzard, and I'm out.